They lied to you about when your peak actually begins. And you've spent years watching others win, thinking you missed your window. But comparison is the greatest thief of the wisdom you've earned. Your age isn't a liability. It's your most powerful, unfair advantage. At 40, you have the discernment that 20-somethings are still chasing. It is time to stop consuming and start creating your own path. The world doesn't need more followers. It needs your specific perspective. You have survived challenges that would have broken your younger self. That resilience is the foundation of everything you are about to build. Stop looking at their highlight reels and start writing your first chapter. Your experience isn't baggage. It is the blueprint for your massive success. What if your late start is actually the perfect timing? You have the network, the skills, and the vision to lead now. Forget the social media clocks. They don't apply to a seasoned pro. Consistency beats intensity, and you've learned how to stay the course. This is the decade where your preparation meets your biggest opportunity. Look at how far you've come just to be standing here.
The only person you should be trying to beat is yesterday's version.
Your potential doesn't expire at 40. It actually just caught fire. Own your story. Every scar is a masterclass in how to win. It's time to stop waiting for permission from people who don't know you. Create the platform you wish existed when you were younger. You are the authority in your field because you lived through it. Let go of the what-ifs and focus on the what now. The best part? You don't have to prove anything to anyone but yourself. Wisdom is knowing that perfection is a myth. Progress is the goal. Gather your tools, your history, and your passion. It's time. Your greatest work is still ahead of you, waiting for your touch. Success is a mindset you've been refining for 4 decades now.
You aren't old. You are seasoned, powerful, and ready for more.
The market is saturated with noise, but it lacks your specific soul. Stop comparing your beginning to someone else's middle or end. Risu, you have nothing to lose and a whole legacy to gain. Every failure you had in your 20s was just a training session. Step into the spotlight of your own life today, right now. Who told you that you were done? They were clearly wrong. Trust the fire that is still burning inside of you. Comparison is the anchor that keeps you in the harbor of mediocrity. Cut the rope. Sail toward the vision you've been hiding. Your 40s are for doing what you love without apology. True creation starts when you stop looking for external validation. Bester Mipier is Fed. What would you build if you knew you couldn't fail? Start with what you have. Use the tools you've gathered. Jesus vacancy. The world is waiting for the wisdom only you can provide. Believe in the version of yourself that is currently emerging. Comparison tells you you're too late. Creativity tells you you're right on time. Big things are built with small, consistent, daily actions. The advantage of age is that you no longer care about the noise. You are clear-headed, focused, and ready to make your mark. Building a life you love is a marathon, not a sprint. You have the stamina because you've already survived the storms. Every day you spend comparing is a day you don't spend building. Choose yourself. Choose your vision. Choose to start today. Your age is the fuel that will propel you past the amateurs. Don't let the fear of too late stop the reality of right now. Success at 45 is sweeter because you know exactly what it took. You are the creator of your second half. Make it a masterpiece. Release the comparison trap and embrace the creation stage. Your voice matters more now than it ever did before. Stop looking for the path and start paving it for others. You have everything you need. The clock is irrelevant. The work is all. You be bold enough to start and wise enough to finish.
The advantage is yours. Now, go show the world what you've got.
Your legacy is not in the past. It is in your hands. Stop comparing. Start creating. Welcome to your prime. Your journey begins now. Don't waste another second.